Good morning. So today in this video we will discuss about another drug of the class 8 amino 6 methoxyquinoline, that is pentaquine phosphate. This is the structure of pentaquine phosphate. So again you can find the same thing as previously I have told you. It has got a nucleus of quinoline and a side chain of 5 isopropyl amino group. This is the side chain. So you can find every time in every drug there is a difference in what? Nucleus is the same but the side chain is different. So this is also a salt of phosphate, and we can give the nomenclature as 8 amino. So that 8, this 8 stands for this 8 amino, 8, then 5. So this is the 5th carbon. So 5 isopropyl amino 6 methoxyquinoline phosphate. So this amyl group is again for 5 carbon atom. Hence the name is 5 isopropyl amyl. Okay, clear? So again the second step, that is about the synthesis. So first step will be to prepare the nucleus, that is 8 amino 6 methoxyquinoline, which I have discussed very clearly and very elaborately in my previous 2 videos. You can go and watch in there. And the second step will be 1-chloro-5 isopropyl amino pentane, that is the side chain. Third step will be the same step, that is condensation of nucleus and the side chain. And the fourth step will be to convert it into its phosphate salt. And for that, which agent we will take? We will take the orthophosphoric acid to convert it into its phosphate salt. Now we start with the second step, that is to prepare or to synthesize the side chain 1-chloro-5 isopropyl amino pentane. For that, the side chain here is hydroxy for furyl. That means, in fact, this is what? This is the this comes from furan. This is the structure of furan. If we do the reduction of furan, then it becomes tetrahydrofuran. To this tetrahydrofuran, we attach it with what? A hydroxy group, methyl hydroxy group. Okay, so this is a hydroxy for furyl. When we will subject it to alumina, which is a catalyst, in a very high temperature of 320 degrees, that means it's not a normal reaction, but we are subjecting it to such condition to convert it from, this is a pyran. Pyran means what? It has got a oxygen linkage. So you can find here there is an oxygen linkage. So this is a pyran. This pyran is hydrolyzed. So definitely we know that H2O gives what? OH. So this goes and this bond will open up. This bond will open up and OH will get substituted here. So this becomes what? A hydroxy pyran group. So this is a hydroxy or a derivative of hydroxy group of pyran. So this hydroxy pyran next, what will happen? It will open up and will form a open chain compound. You can see this is a reversible reaction, and it will get converted to, this pyran ring, which is a very unstable ring. See, oxygen ring is there, very unstable ring. So it will get open and it will get changed into an open chain compound, and it will form here a CHO and here there is a CH2OH group. Okay. So next, this will be treated with a isopropyl amino group. This is an isopropyl amino group, 2 and 3 carbon atom. With that, a NH2 group is there. That means this is a isopropyl amino group. When it will react with this compound, again you can find here, this is O and this is H2. So removal of minus H2O, and you will get a double bond here, CH double bond N CH CH3 twice. And this on reduction, we know double bond has to be converted to single bond. So on reduction will give what? A compound like this. You can see here, just focus on this CH and N. You will get here, so this is here the formation of NH single bond. CH2 4, CH2 OH, CS, CH3 twice. Okay, clear? From where we are getting this CH2 4? CH2, CH2, CH2. So 1 CH2, 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 CH2. So here it is CH2 4, CH2 OH, then NH, CH, CH3 twice. Right? We give the name as 5-isopropyl amino pentanol. Okay. Next, treated with SOCl2. This is thionyl chloride. This is a halogenating agent. So thionyl chloride, हैलोजेनेटिंग एजेंट का मतलब क्या है? Cl को देना. देखिए यहाँ पर OH माइनस है, Cl भी माइनस है, दोनों न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. मतलब OH माइनस हटेगा और उस OH माइनस के जगह में क्या लग जाएगा? Cl माइनस. ए सिंपल न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन जो कि आप BSc क्लासेस में पढ़ते थे. So this OH will get substituted to Cl group and the nomenclature becomes now 1-chloro-5-isopropyl amino pentane. So these are the steps to prepare the side chain of the drug pentaquine phosphate. After preparing the side chain, we will do the third step, that is condensation of the nucleus and the side chain. So this is the nucleus, 8-amino 6-methoxyquinoline as we have prepared in our early classes, and we will treat it with the side chain, that is 1-chloro-5-isopropyl amino pentane. Okay. So now you can see here there will be removal of minus HCl and we can add the whole side chain to this nucleus. From where? From amino group. So this becomes the nucleus of quinoline, and with this we can add up the side chain. So here minus HCl, this is CH2, CH2 4, NH, CH, CH3 twice. So this is the condensation reaction. Condensation reaction between A step and B step. And then we will convert into its phosphate salt. So treat it with H3PO4. This is an acid. Acid has a tendency to lose a proton, H plus. So it will go and add up in this way. So this is the structure OCH3. This is the quinoline nucleus. With this comes the side chain NH, then CH2, CH24. Here lone pair of electrons are present over this nitrogen. So here H will come and get substituted. So becomes like this CH, CH3. Other things will be the same. So one thing again get clear. Nitrogen here is having 4 valency. So a positive charge over nitrogen, and this get converted into the phosphate salt. So name of the compound pentaquine phosphate. Pentaquine phosphate. Another drug of the class 8-amino 6-methoxyquinoline, pentaquine phosphate. Phosphate, we start with the next member, that is isopentaquine. Isopentaquine is in fact isomer of pentaquine phosphate, and the structure is this one. Again you can find this because the class is same, that is 8-amino 6-methoxyquinoline. So the nucleus is the same, 8-amino 6-methoxyquinoline, and the side chain, the difference is in the side. Now after pentaquine phosphate, the next member of this class is isopentaquine. Isopentaquine is isomer of pentaquine phosphate, and the structure is, you can see here in the board, structure again contain the same nucleus of quinoline, 8-amino 6-methoxyquinoline, and the side chain is this one, and we can name it as 8 bracket starts 4 isopropyl. So this is the fourth carbon, isopropyl, fourth carbon, isopropyl amino 4-methyl, 4-methyl. Word root is butyl because contains 4 carbon atom. So 4-methyl butyl bracket close amino, again bracket close, because the substitution of amino group has been completed. So bracket close, then 6-methoxyquinoline. Okay. So this is the nomenclature. Naming, you should always be very careful about the nomenclature of an organic compound, because it should be according to IUPAC nomenclature. So the synthesis start with the starting material as alpha methyl tetrahydrofuran. This is the starting compound. That means this is furan, in fact, which is, in fact, the structure is like this. We do the reduction, and after reduction a methyl group is being substituted in the alpha position. Hence the name is alpha methyl tetrahydrofuran, or you can say furfural also. There is no harm in that. You can write it as furfural also. Furfural. So this alpha methyl tetrahydrofurfural, we will treat it with acetyl bromide, and which will act as what? To add up with a bromo group. So there will be complete opening of the ring, because the ring here is unstable one, and you can find here it get converted into a bromo derivative. This bromo derivative is next treated with isopropylamine. You can see here CH3 twice, hence isopropylamine, which what will happen here? It will get converted, or it will add up. There will be removal of what? Minus HBr. So isopropyl chain will get substituted in the position of Br, and we will get CH3 CH, OCO CH3 CH2 thrice, and the portion of isopropylamine NH CH CH3 twice. Then we will go for a hydrolysis. In this hydrolysis, what will happen? There will be removal of HOH. That means it will be H, here there will be OH. So there will be removal of minus CH3COH, and here you will get OH, and then we are treating it with thionyl bromide. This thionyl bromide is again what? A brominating agent. So thionyl bromide, a brominating agent. OH minus will be removed from here, and you will get here what? The substitution of another nucleophile, that is bromide. Now the nomenclature becomes what? 2-bromo-5-isopropyl-aminopentane. So we have synthesized what? The side chain. Now the third step is as usual condensation. Condensation with what? The nucleus, that is 8-amino 6-methoxyquinoline. With the side chain, condensation reaction will take place. So there will be removal of minus HBr. After condensation, there will be removal of minus HBr. From where? From here, one H. You can see here this NH2 we can write like this, NH2. So H from here, Br from here. So minus HBr, and the whole side chain will get substituted with the quinoline nucleus. In this way, here OCH3 will be in the same form. Here NH, and comes CH3, then here CH2 thrice, NH, CH, CH3 twice. So we synthesize here after condensation what? Isopentaquine, which is isomer of pentaquine, and isopentaquine is more active than its isomer, that is pentaquine phosphate, and it is also having the property, one more property is there, that this is less toxic than pentaquine phosphate. Thank you.